I came to Tufts Seattle DPT program because I actually was just personally curious. Could it be real? Could it be done? Could you teach physical therapy in a hybrid fashion? Is it going to be a quality education? Are those PTs who were trained in a hybrid fashion going to be able to go out and carry on the profession? And I can definitely say, after being here and being in the lab, I would say a resounding yes. Absolutely, 110%. These students knew what they were doing, they were prepared, they are going to be good physical therapists, and I would dare say maybe even better. I think some of them were just so prepared. The energy, the authenticity, the ability to come with a curious mind and an open heart and to learn in an innovative model and learn in a different way, it was palpable.
I'm very impressed at how it's all come together for a hybrid program. When I learned anatomy, it was just anatomy separate from the other courses, but we're doing applied anatomy, so you're learning the muscles of the body and then how that applies to a patient evaluation and patient care, and makes it so that you're learning layers all at the same time. What is this muscle? What bones does it attach to? And then what does it do in the body?
And one of the innovative models that we used in this class is we used bones, we used skeleton models, but then we would feel on each other, we would palpate. It was a totally different experience, and that's what physical therapists are going to be doing. You're going to be feeling people's bodies and seeing people's bodies move. And in a cadaver lab, you spend a lot of time just trying to open things up and dissect, whereas here it was just more functional and more what physical therapists are going to be doing.
I think the ideal physical therapy education model includes making sure that we're having a diverse thought of what the patients look like. Tufts is working to try to do that by incorporating really skilled faculty to make sure that we're getting the spectrum of musculoskeletal and neurological care. There's diversity in the class, there's diversity in the faculty. Your faculty and your adjunct faculty are all advanced practice providers. We want to make sure that students know that there's all these options for them when they get to clinical practice, get a chance to experience those different areas and really find their niches in practice.
The energy of the students is a lot of fun. Everybody's really intentional. When we're looking at the profession as a whole, there's still a lack of diversity, racially, ethnically, and socioeconomically. And I think the way they're trying to recruit people and getting less like traditional students is helping to find folks that otherwise might not have the same access or opportunity to get into a PT program.
There's a few different foundational principles that Tufts is building their program on, and one of those is authenticity. And so I think it's really important that we as providers are authentic, as well as recognizing how unique and different each of our patients is. And because we're all one person and everything is connected, we need a good holistic understanding of how the human body works, how each system interacts with each other. It's not just this anatomy with no consideration for their mental health and what they love. We're helping them with their humanity to try to integrate the whole human. I'm really excited to see where this goes next.